The brutal truth no one tells you. Let's be honest. You signed up, got hyped, blasted the opportunity to everyone you know. But your downline? Dead silent. Nobody's duplicating. Nobody's producing. And you're sitting there thinking, what the am I doing wrong? Your upline's not gonna tell you this. They can't, here's why. Because if they did, half the team would quit tomorrow. But I'm gonna tell you anyway. Because if you don't hear this, you're just gonna keep grinding in circles until you burn out. This is the real reason your downline isn't growing, and it's not pretty. Here's the first problem: you don't have a system. And if you think you do, it's garbage. Telling people to make a list of 100 names, send awkward copy-paste messages. That's not a system, that's busy work disguised as strategy. The truth, most of you are just winging it. You're sending people on the net with nothing but outdated scripts and hype calls, and you wonder why they quit. You're basically throwing them into a maze and hoping they find the exit before they starve. You attracted the wrong people. You sold the dream. Guess what? You got exactly what you sold. And here's the problem: opportunity chasers don't build. They show up for the hype. They disappear when it's time to work. The second they realize there's rejection grind and actual effort involved, poof, they're gone. Your downline isn't failing because they're bad people. They're failing because they were never here to build in the first place. They don't trust you as a leader. Smash that like button. Share with others. Put down a comment on what you're struggling with and subscribe for further info we will share with you. This one's gonna sting. Your team doesn't believe you can take them anywhere. You're faking momentum online and they can smell the BS from a mile away. If they look at you and see inconsistency, chaos, or desperation, they're out. If the leader looks lost, the team won't move. Your team's not dumb. They know they're not making money. So when all you give them is hype zooms, motivational quotes, and another massive action speech with no real game plan, they're mentally checked out. You can't fix a broken business model with good vibes. They know the odds are against them. Your team isn't growing because they've figured out the math. They know 97% of people quit. They've seen people grind for months and earn less than minimum wage. And deep down, they don't believe they'll be in the 3%. They know they don't have the audience. They know they don't have the skills. And instead of facing that reality every day, they just disappear quietly. That's not negativity, that's reality. They don't trust your leadership. So there it is, your system sucks. You recruited the wrong people. They're tired of fluff and they've realized the odds are garbage. Harsh? Yep, but true. No pitch, no free PDF, no pep talk, just the truth. Smash the like button. Share with others. Put down a comment on what you're struggling with and subscribe for further info we will share with you.